Welcome back. Today is a new day, and you guys, it is Easter weekend. We have a lot of activities ready to go. And one of them is we're going to be doing some brownies. I saw online that people were adding little eggs to their brownies, as well as some cute M&Ms and making flower patterns.
My brownies.
Yeah, that's for everybody. And so I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We officially finished. These look good. Woo, look at this. Look at the inside of these. Oh yeah.
Mama.
Yeah,
Mama,
buddy.
can you eat it?
Yeah, we're eating it right now.
Eat it. What does it taste like?
Mmm. Ha! Tastes like peanut butter. We got our Easter egg peanut butter ones. That's a good touch with lots and lots and lots of chocolate. I need a glass of milk. I would definitely add the little peanut butter eggs. Those were like chocolate with peanut butter inside. Oh, that touch just really, really makes it good. These were definitely a win. Alright guys, it is time to set up the Easter bunny stuff. I'm so tired. But we must do this. I got a couple things from the dollar store. So first, I got these little animals. They like these. They're like little, I don't know, frogs, bugs. They're into that sort of stuff. And then we got a whole bunch of stickers. And my plan is to cut them and put them inside Easter baskets. We have Spider-Man, a lot of the Avengers stickers. And then we have removable tattoos. So we got the princess one and then this Inside Out 2 one. They are very much tattoo people now. And so they always want to like put on a tattoo whenever they get them in goodie bags and schools. So figured I'd get them a whole bunch of that. And then I also got them some Band-Aids. We got Bluey, Monster Jam, and then these little Squishmallows. I thought these Band-Aids were so cute. These were at the dollar store and they were so cheap. Much cheaper than like going to Walmart. And I find that the dollar store ones aren't as aggressively stuck on. Like they don't stick on as aggressively. So they like them. But we're going to basically essentially cut them and then place them in little Easter bags or little Easter eggs. And then I have to set up their gifts because remember, if you saw my other video, I'll leave it linked up here. I got them some other stuff at the Dollar Tree, so let's pack these up.
Just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you. You're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so we got all the little goodies ready to go. Now the next thing that we're gonna do is I like to grab the bunny grams from Annie's. They actually have like a confetti rainbow one, but for some reason I couldn't find it on my Walmart order. So I got these. These are gluten-free, cocoa and vanilla. They have great ingredients, and I just grab little paper towels, put them inside, wrap them up like so, like this, and then put them inside the graham crackers. Or the egg, I mean, not the graham crackers. The graham crackers inside the egg. It's late, you guys. It's 11:36. So that way, when they find them, they eat them.
But tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope.
Do you follow my Disney YouTube channel? You guys know that we got the infamous Easter egg with nothing inside. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place these little toys in here and maybe like one piece of candy, like gummy bears, and then we will share them amongst all of us because the Easter bunny came. So I gotta find the other gummies, but ha ha ha, it has candy. Ah, good times. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these little banners that I have that say Happy Easter and set up their little baskets. And I'm going to bed. It's late, it's 12, oh gosh. So this is gonna be the extent of my decorations. But I think it's gonna be really cute when they come down. Then the plan is to kind of put all the eggs outside so that the Easter bunny came and left them all in the backyard. But I have to wait till like all of them wake up. So that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I think we can figure it out. But yeah, I'm tired. So let's do this really fast.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na.
but you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
What is it? Oh, wow. We're coloring. Bathtub. Bath bomb.
This is the Band-Aid monster truck one.
Isn't that cool? It's like monster truck shaped. Yeah.
Why the bluey one?
Yeah, it's for the bathtub, remember? Oh, white paper.
Have big one?
Here's yours, buddy. Look, this one's yours. It's for coloring. Remember how you like to color and draw? Yeah, isn't it cool? Look at all the paper.
And watch this, Mama.
Yeah.
Check.
That's right, for drawing. Good morning, everybody. It is time to place the Easter eggs outside. My husband's inside with them, entertaining them, and we're gonna make it a big surprise. Like, oh my gosh, look, the Easter bunny came out back. So, let's get this started.
Ever since you came into my life, it felt so good, it felt so right.
All right, they're officially out. Let's see them go nuts.
It's your face, your laugh, the way you hear music and the way you dance, but it's your soul that sings to me. I'm here to hold your heart, it's the sweetest gift that I will not drop, and I promise to always stay true. Yeah, I love you so.
What? You found a treasure?
I love you so. Don't you know, don't you know, no, no, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, no, no, that I love you so.
It's on the playground. I love that.
Even in the middle of the night you shine so bright. True beauty, a wondrous sight of everlasting light. We're stronger together, we can't be beat. Lift each other up when we feel defeat. Forever and ever, we're living the dream. Side by side, go team. I'm here to hold your heart, it's the sweetest gift that I will not drop, and I promise to always stay true. Yeah, I love you so.
You got it, buddy, you got it.
I love you so. Don't you know, don't you know, no, no, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, no, no, that I love you. Things change every day, nothing ever stays the same. People come and people go. There's a few things that I know. It's how you rock, it's how you roll, it's how you love, it's how you grow.
You got a whole bunch? Fast. Oh, what is it? Oh, look at
Yeah, I love you so. I love you so. Don't you know, don't you know, no, no, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know, no, no, that I love you. Yeah, I love you so.
We have officially made it back home. The kids are currently in bath time. It was a great Easter weekend. I hope you guys had a fabulous time celebrating with your family. I can't believe the kids are so big now. Like, for the first time, we went to a party and didn't have to chase them around the home. They were so independent. Time flies. It's crazy to see a lot of the older kids not really want eggs anymore. Luckily, my still kids do like eggs, especially candy inside them. But I don't know. Time is a thief. So enjoy every moment of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.